A lotus on a box on a lotus in a box in a lotus on a carton, a lotus getting started. Good morning, good night. Today, we're doing an unboxing video. I've got a box. My best impression of Brad Pitt in the movie Seven. What's in the box? What's in the box? What's in the box? So while the United Kingdom and Canada is celebrating Boxing Day, well, I'm over here celebrating Unboxing Day because I've got some boxes. Okay, guess what? Oh, another box in the box. Box in the box. And some candies. Wow, that's so sweet. It's very sweet. Kind of seems like Jolly Ranchers were used as the packing peanuts. It's okay by me. And a sticker. That's the real reason why we actually buy things. Get those stickers. I hope there's not like a babushka and there's a smaller box inside this one. But this one I'm going to be very careful with the knife because I'm getting into the real deal here. Oh, man. Oh, snap. You seeing what I seen? Oh, lordy. We're right into it here. This is Connects. This is Erector. This is Lego. Man, this is getting real. This is some assembly required. Okay, we got a couple of pieces. So do you guys know what this is yet? Do you know what this is? It's a shifter. It's a new shifter mechanism for the Evora. ShiftR111. ShiftR. Because everybody knows R is the raciest letter. Okay, first impressions. Pretty light. Pretty good welds. I'll take it. We'll pop those out later. We'll keep them sealed for freshness. Okay, a lot of bubble wrap, and here we go. Oh, there is lots and lots of pieces. Oh boy, oh boy. Oh lordy. We got lots of pieces in here. Oh, some ball ends, a couple of those. And lots and lots of bubble wrap. You guys like bubble wrap? You're gonna love this. But you know what? It all looks like very well wrapped. And no concerns as far as packaging goes. According to this, we got everything. Looks like it's been checked and double checked. Oh, checked by Stacy and double checked by Theo. Thank you, Stacy and Theo. I went with blue raspberry because I'm a man of exquisite taste. He's making a list. He's checking it twice. I think it goes like this. We got a lot of pretty surfaces in here. Oh my goodness. Oh baby. Wow. This looks beautiful. It's just gorgeous. Look at this machined piece right here. I would say this is machine billet, and what you can see, this is sort of the multi-axis, the ball joint that it's on, which is very cool. Super smooth, just nice actuation there. Really like that. Oh, it looks gorgeous. It's always nice when something looks pretty as you're building. Now I realize no one's going to see this. It's going to get hidden in my center console, but someone maybe building a race car or building just a different, more aggressive car might want to expose this because it actually looks really cool. Very well bolted in there. Oh yeah. Oh, I know what that is. Wow. There's a lot of mass here. Wow. Okay. This is the ball shifter or the bollocks shifter. Very nice. So that changes over to that. Very nice. We got the reverse lockout, super light. That's unbelievably light. That's got to be aluminum. The ball, for example, is not. That is heavy. That's got to be steel. That is super. That is intentionally heavy to give you a really good feel as you shift through. Cable brackets and a bunch of fasteners. We will not lose. I'm not going to open that up. Ooh, reverse lockout cable and a spring. Okay. This we're going to be careful with that. Kit G. Cross gate brace piece. Bunch of hardware. More hardware and some riv nuts. I have to take care of that. This is the base mounting hardware. You are going to have to drill some holes to put in these riv nuts. Okay, this is the last package. Everything is very bubble wrapped here, which is good. So far everything's been super well protected through shipping. Oh boy. Oh wow. Holy crap. Look at this. These are the centering, this is the centering spring in here. Whoa, that looks awesome. This is a really special piece. This is the reverse lockout over here. So it can't go into reverse if that's there. Again, this thing could be on display. Wow. That's gonna be the throw at the bottom. Really cool. What a beautiful piece. Nice ball joints. This centering spring is real. It's the real deal. Oh my God, I can't wait to, I cannot wait to get this in the car and try it. I can tell it's gonna be amazing. So this is a rough schemorphism of the layout of the parts. So the brackets, the mechanism in the middle here, this is the actual shifter. Shift lever itself. You got the hardware, the riv nuts and the hardware, the bollocks as they call it, the reverse lockout, some of the other hardware, and the reverse lockout cable. We got another package. Let's do it again. And inside is packing list and shift cables, baby, yeah. Oh God, oh Jesus. Don't let the shift cables hit you in the eyes. Let's try that again. See these guys? They're coiled up and they have they kind of have a spring to them. So if I take it out, we got to be careful. Oh, see? There you go. That's how you prepare to unbox these. Now we may have to replace these ball ends with the ones that came in the other kit. I'm not sure. We'll have to check that out. And a t-shirt. Yeah, man. Wow. I'm just looking at these shift cables. They actually look really, really well made. There's a lot of metal being used here. A lot of strong parts. The cable itself looks like it's nicely wound and protected with some type of conduit that they're using here, which is good because this does run under the car in portions. And then in other areas, it just looks really nice, nicely well made. There's a nice little, looks like a little pivot here. Same for this one, which is nice. This is interesting. That looks like that tightens that down. This is really, really impressively strong. So that's no joke there. Looks like that's machined, which is pretty cool. One on each. Looks like that tightens it down. I'm gonna tighten it down now because I'll figure it all out later. Of course, you got the ball ends. The coolest thing is how nicely they move. I mean, with very little effort here, very little effort, I'm able to fully extend and disextend, and that goes all the way around over here, which is pretty cool. So here we have the cross gate and the gear shift cables. They're pretty cool. I've been calling them just the shift cables for short. And this is an actual video of me buying it online. Super easy, right? Boom. Computer up. Da-da-da. Bought it. It's coming on. It's coming already. It's on the way. What's really cool about Monkey Wrench Racing is they're primarily a Toyota guys. But what was really cool and appealed to me is the fact that they have Lotus stuff. So But boom, you can click on the Exige or the Elise or the Evora, and that'll take you to the Evora specific page. And they've got lots of stuff for you, right? Lots of stuff for the engine. Whatever you'd need, you can find it here. Lots of options, whether you got an IPS automatic or if you got a manual. You can get the trans cables, which is exactly what I got. I decided to go aftermarket with mine and went with the ShiftR111. Shout out to Inokinetic for building what appears to be a really awesome kit. I'm really excited to install it, and I'll let you know how it goes. And shout out, of course, to Monkey Wrench Racing. Yeah, man, guys, thanks for having this stuff in stock. I know the Evora is an unusual platform. It's obscure, and people just don't know about it. But I appreciate you keeping this stuff in stock, shipping it out real quick. Inokinetic recommend professional installation. They say it takes 6 to 8 hours. I'm probably going to take way more time than that, and that's fine. I'm going to do everything slow and get it right because it's my own car, and this is my winter project, okay? Baby, it's cold outside. So, I'll work on the car. And I think it's going to make a real big difference, the actual shifting enjoyment of the car. Right now, to be honest, on the 2011 and earlier models, the 10s and the 9s, it's just not that great. It's clunky. It works. Yes, you can shift. I've adjusted it. I've gotten it about as good as it can get by adjusting the shift cables, but it doesn't shift as good as it looks, and it doesn't shift as good as it should. Simply should shift better. This should solve it. I'm excited. So please follow, like, subscribe. If you want to see me actually install this, I'm going to do the whole video on that. Merry Christmas. Happy Boxing Day. Happy holidays, happy Hanukkah, happy Kwanzaa, all that jazz. Take care of yourself. And a happy new year. Boxing video. This is so stupid. It's in the box. Box in the box, in the box, in the box. Everybody knows R is the raciest number. Because everybody knows R is the raciest letter.